Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS3 versus Kia Stinger GT. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which car might be better for your needs. The Audi RS3 is known for its potent 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, delivering thrilling power. Meanwhile, the Kia Stinger GT counters with a robust 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6, offering impressive performance and a distinct driving feel. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to handling, the Audi RS3 provides a very direct and agile feel, thanks to its performance-oriented suspension setup. It truly shines on winding roads. The Kia Stinger GT, on the other hand, offers a more compliant ride, making it comfortable for daily driving while still delivering engaging dynamics when pushed. Both vehicles benefit from advanced all-wheel drive systems, ensuring excellent grip and stability in various conditions. Inside, the Audi RS3 presents a high-quality, driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. It feels refined and sporty. The Kia Stinger GT provides a more spacious and comfortable environment, especially for rear passengers, along with a larger trunk for practicality. Both models come equipped with intuitive infotainment systems and a suite of driver assistance features, enhancing convenience and safety for all occupants. Ultimately, the Audi RS3 often comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its premium brand and performance pedigree. The Kia Stinger GT, however, frequently offers a compelling value proposition, delivering significant power and features for a more accessible cost. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate performance and luxury or a strong balance of power, practicality, and affordability. Check the description for a link to these great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.